guys, it's your girl Emma Victoria, back with another video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell button so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. Anyways, I did a little bit of Christmas shopping, you guys, at 5 and below. So I'm into Christmas, but I'm not like that big into Christmas, so I wasn't about to go spending an arm and a leg on Christmas decorations for my little ass apartment. And I don't have like a big tree or anything, and I wasn't going to buy one this year because there won't be any gifts under it. And that's just me being honest. Like, I just got a few little knick-knack decorations to sit here and there, and I got them from 5 and Below. So if you don't know what that store is, it's I think it's like a chain that's pretty much everywhere. Everything in the store is literally $5 or less. They do have like one aisle that's dedicated to 10 and below. So, and y'all, when I say they have a lot of stuff, they have a lot of stuff. The quality of the stuff seems better than your average dollar store, in my opinion. Merry Christmas to everybody. I thought about doing Vlogmas this year. It's my first year doing YouTube, and honestly I didn't prepare to do Vlogmas, so I'm not gonna do Vlogmas this year. Plus, uploading every freaking day for 25 days, that's gotta be tough, and you gotta be dedicated and committed. So I'm gonna shoot for it in 2020, not okay, guys. I got my stuff laid out here on the floor for you all to see. So these are my few little pickups. So first, let's talk about this gingerbread. I think that it's so cute that this was in freaking 5 and Below. Y'all, this cost me $5. So yes, I bought 2, and that'll probably be another video by itself. But I got the chocolate cookie house, so I guess it's not gingerbread, but this is the chocolate cookie house because I don't think I eat gingerbread. I don't think I've ever tried it, but I know I love chocolate, so I got this one. And it's the kit that has everything in it. I plan on doing like a date night with this with one of my booze. I got just regular smuggler old peppermint candy canes to dash somewhere in my apartment. I don't know. I think I'll set them up cute somewhere. These cute little things, they had some other ones, but I really just like the snowman and the little gift. So they're like miniature, I don't know, but I thought they were cute. It's just like around it or something, but I don't know, we'll see when I actually start putting stuff together. They were bad, and they're actually bad toys, you guys. Actually, here are the little ornaments that I had to go on there, little gold, white, and red. Moving along, I got these cute little friends here. I got a 9-foot, whatever this is called. What the heck is this called? I don't know, shit. But it was only $3. I also got stockings, you guys. I got 3 stockings to hang somewhere. So I did cop a few things that aren't Christmas related. So here we have this little wall piece, this little moon mirror. I thought that the shape of it was cute. It's a moon wall mirror that's $5. I just have to peel this off, and it's a mirror, like a regular mirror. And I've been wanting something to fit my phone in the car, so I did pick this up. They had a variation of different phone holders for the car, like the ones that stick in your vent and on the window and blah 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 blah. But I think this one would go better for my phone because I do have a pocket socket. I also got this Bluetooth speaker, which probably ain't gonna be loud worth shit. But it was $5, so I was like, I got this oil diffuser or incense diffuser. I don't really know what this shit is called. I've never used one before, but I like it, and I'm gonna put this in the bathroom because I have like silver going on in my bathroom. So disregard those colors you're seeing. That's my reflection. So that's everything that I got today from Five and Below, and it was a total of $61 for all of that stuff, and I think that's a pretty good deal. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly set this stuff up, and then I might show y'all when I finish. So yeah, stay tuned for that. For the speaker, this is what she looks like. And let's just play something so y'all can see how loud it is. All I want for Christmas is you. Oh, sorry I look like such trash, you guys, but today has really just been like an errand day, and I just wanted to show y'all what Five and Below had to offer and just check them out because I was completely surprised. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked how I decorated my stuff, if you liked any of my pickups, like this video. So yeah, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.